takes the decision, they will be abide by that and make the organization strong. I think our respected MLA also, Karlan, he has joined with us, Sunil ji, who is also observer PCC, and these three candidates are sitting with us. And we do expect, we have already, I was in other 7 states for the organization, Sanghatan Srijan Abhiyan, and somewhere it is asked that usually the information taken, even Goa mein people were asking me whether actual information or the report the president will be nominated. But I can assure you, this time, both Kharge ji and our leader Rahul ji, they are firm, whatever the report, nomination will be done as per the report, not being influenced by any local leaders, whoever he may be. And for your information, till now, I have worked in 14 districts in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Tamil Nadu. And all 14 districts, whatever we have recommended, they have been nominated. So Congress is doing very strictly this work, and we expect that Congress will be success to make the organization more active and vibrant. Thank you.
आप कहते हैं कि जो भी खत्म हुआ
Yes.
आप कहते हैं कि जो भी काम आप करेंगे लोगों को भरोसे में लेके ही करेंगे, लेकिन हाल ही में कोंडा में जो न्यू केस आपने इंटर किया है उसको बहुत से विरोध था।
हाँ?
वो जो केस न्यू इंटर किया है पार्टी को पार्टिकर कोंडा कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में
अरविंद पार्टिकर को आपने अभी कांग्रेस में लिया है ना,
इस केतन पार्टिकर
को लिया है। उधर के जो कांग्रेस के लीडर्स थे काफी लोग विरोध कर रहे थे उसको।
नहीं, इसमें you see, I have been interested with a specific purpose. In Madhya district, what will happen, that is my responsibility. But General Congress organization responsibility is the PCC president and in charge, our Manik Thackeray ji. Then you can ask them, because I don't have knowledge. Honestly, I don't have any knowledge, so I am not authorized to reply on that issue.
नहीं, लेकिन ये अगर हमारी आपकी ओवरऑल पार्टी की पॉलिसी है तो ऐसा ये कर नहीं सकते ना।
You see, the question is who entered, why entered, that is known to the PCC president and the general secretary in charge. So I cannot reply for that. But whatever the tax given to me, from that angle, even we are not supposed to consult with anybody. The PCC observers with me, we will send the report and the action will be taken. So that part I can say. Other part, that is the in charge of this general secretary in charge of the PCC president, they can reply well.
अच्छा, और एक सवाल है कि भरोसा, मैं भी एक बार कांग्रेस का ही था, लेकिन अब जो लोगों के मन से भरोसा गया है पार्टी के बारे में, वो बिल्डअप करने के लिए क्या है?
नो, वही भरोसा बिल्डअप करने के लिए आप देखिए, चाहे एक कार हो या घर हो या रोड हो, इट रिक्वायर्स ऑल्सो रेगुलर रिपेयर एंड उसको केयर लेना पड़ता है. तो कांग्रेस ये 141 ईयर्स हो गया ओल्ड, तो उसको तो न्यू ब्लड इन्फ्यूज़ करने के लिए वीमेन, SC, ST, दलित, ये सबको ज़्यादा लाने के लिए जो कोशिश है, दैट इज वन ऑफ द इफर्ट टू क्रिएट दी भरोसा क्रिएट करने के लिए, दैट इज ऑल्सो इफर्ट. अर्लियर you see, if you look to the DCC president, very less number were in the DCC president position or the PCC president position. This time we are trying to create and give position to Mahila and SC, ST, minority, जो उनको देता है. दूसरा बात ये है, if you look to the all India politics, भरोसा कांग्रेस के ऊपर था, अभी भी है. What? We have been elected sometimes, we have been defeated sometimes. But if you look to the in 2004 cases, in 2004, when Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, India was signing. At that point of time, as the media people, nobody was also expecting that Congress will come back. But after Sonia Gandhi took over, Congress came back. Sonia Gandhi did not become the Prime Minister, and Manmohan Singh became the Prime Minister, Congress came back. So that Congress winning possibility again is definitely there.
लेकिन जब 8-8 लोग बल्क में बीजेपी में जाते हैं तो लोगों को आप कैसे कन्विंस करेंगे?
नहीं, वो लोग तो जाते हैं, एंड इफ यू लुक एट मी, I was also in charge secretary in Goa in 2003-2004 along with Margaret Alba. I know at that time also those who are big leaders, they have also left Congress, to whom we recommended, because it happens. It is not happening in Congress, it is happening in other parties also, it is happening in BJP, it is happening for some other region. But that is unfortunate, and such leaders should not have done this. But I think Congress will make a comeback, and those who have left Congress and to whom Congress made leaders, people will give the right reply to them in the next election.
तो ये संगठन सृजन अभियान ये किसके लिए है? मतलब आपके जो पार्टी में प्रेसिडेंट है गोवा के और MLA, उनका संगठन नहीं है जो प्रेसिडेंट बिना कुछ अदर मेंबर्स को बताए बिना कुछ डिसीजन लेते हैं, तो उनको आप क्या कैसे संगठन करेंगे?
No, as I have said you, that reply what PCC President is doing will be replied by the General Secretary in charge. But संगठन सृजन अभियान नीचे से ऊपर तक भी हो रहा है.
उनका संगठन होना पहले जरूर है ना. आप जो
क्या होगा इन फ्यूचर बात अलग है, मगर संगठन सृजन अभियान ये है.
एक पार्टी के जो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष है उनका और जो अभी बच्चे बच्चे 3-4 MLA है उनका संगठन नहीं है. पार्टी के जो अदर कार्यकर्ता हैं उनका भी संगठन है. उनका कहना है कि अध्यक्ष जो डिसीजन लेते हैं वो अपने आप लेते हैं, उनको कुछ बोलते नहीं. उसके बारे में आप क्या कहते हैं?
नहीं, आपने पहले से बोल चुका है. आई एम नॉट इन चार्ज ऑफ गोवा so far the organization system is concerned. In charge Goa is our Manik Thakre ji. So the action of the PCC President, what should be, what should not be, would be replied by him. But I am confined to the tax only, to the district committee. But as you have said, the intention of the Sanghatan Srijan Abhiyan is to decentralize power and involve all workers in the respective places for taking any decision. ये प्रोसेस के लिए होता है, ऊपर से होगा नीचे भी होगा. अगर क्या नहीं होता है, that you can ask to the general secretary in charge, they can say.
सर गोवा में एक्चुअली कांग्रेस पर भरोसा है, लेकिन कांग्रेस के लीडर के ऊपर भरोसा नहीं है. ये बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. अभी आप ग्रासरूट लेवल पे पूछोगे किसी को तो बोलते पहले कांग्रेस वासी रहते हैं, बाद में इलेक्ट होके वो भाजपा वासी बन जाते हैं. तो इसके ऊपर आपका अभी 2027 के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
It is not happening in Goa. In many places, people are, many leaders who are after money and power. To get power, to get money, they are interested, and wherever they are getting, and BJP systematically applying this method to disturb this opposition organization party all over the country, going against all norms, all principles. But I think इसको तो चेक करना मुश्किल है, but gradually people are also understanding.
अभी भगवान कौन सा, अभी 2027 के भगवान कौन सा होगा कसम नहीं.
ये तो AICC डिसीजन करेगा. I said I have not come to select the PCC president. That is the responsibility of the AICC, that they will think and do. But those who are here till they are the PCC president, so I cannot say any comment on that. But in this, you can see these three candidates are there. Do you agree all? Whatever the decision is taken. So you all agree?
Yes. What will be their role later on after they are elected president? They will have to constitute their committee, or will they be given that further?
Yes, they have to constitute their block committee, panchayat committee, municipal committee, booth committee, and it has been said any newly elected president will be given ample opportunity, time to work and power. But those who cannot perform, within 6 months they will be dislodged.
Will be replaced.
They have to perform because, and the DCC president, our criteria is who is not 5 years in Congress, his name cannot be recommended. Against whom there is criminal case, his name cannot be recommended. And preference will be given within 50 years or can be extended up to 60 years. And while selecting the DCC president, taking state as unit, all community people will try to accommodate. So not one community altogether. These are the criteria.
By when this process will be completed?
By 15th March it will declare. So we are submitting our report by 1st March, and then there will be a meeting, our interaction with the higher authority to take our opinion. I think then by 15th March definitely it will be declared.
ब्लॉक कमेटी
ब्लॉक कमिटी होगा, पंचायत कमिटी, म्युनिसिपैलिटी कमिटी, बूथ कमिटी होगा. That's what I'm telling you. Those suppose somebody become the president, if he is not able to organize his district properly, he will be dislodged. We are also giving them training after they are declared. Rahul ji and Khadge ji, they have designed a program for them. In 2-3 phases they will be given to train what they should do, what they should not do, and accordingly they have to do the work. It is already started. We have completed, Aicc completed in 14 states. Now I think they have around 7-6 states they are going on. Almost all states, I think only Maharashtra and Karnataka is left. Other states observers already nominated. So this is a Hercules task and it is being done very strictly. Earlier what was happening differently, but this is very strict. Okay, नमस्कार सबको धन्यवाद. थोड़ा मीडिया को कोऑपरेट करने के लिए हम